From my experience, I'm sharing a few tips on how to learn to read for the toddlers or preschoolers, 3-year-old, 4-year-olds, and 5-year-olds. So, at least for 5-year-olds, we can introduce this book. 4-year-olds also. This is Sam the Fat Cat. The book's name is Sam the Fat Cat, a complete phonic reader with activities. Actually, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and this book contains 5 stories, each with 1 vowel. For example, Sam the Fat Cat with A, Meg the Red Hen with E, Pinky the Pig with I, Roy and Spot with O, and Bugsy the Bug with U sound words. So, it is a very good book for kids or toddlers or preschoolers or beginners to learn to read. Initially, we should emphasize on the phonic practice of 3-letter words by breaking the words into letters and their sounds. Meet Roy and Spot. Let's start with the O words: boy, dog, frog, log, jog, box, hot, off, on. Roy. Roy is a boy. Spot is his dog. See, the sun is up. Roy and Spot go for a jog. They like to jog. Oh, look, look, a frog. The frog is on a log. Spot ran off to see the frog. Who is Spot? Spot is Roy's dog. Now he says, "Come on, Spot, come on," says Roy. Roy says, "Come on, Spot, come on." They jog on. Oh, look, look, a top. Look at it spin. Spot ran off to see the top. "Come on, Spot, come on," says Roy. They jog on. It is hot. Oh, look, look, a box. The lid of the box is shut. What is in the box? Spot ran off to see the box. Look at Spot. He has got the lid off. When the lid of the box is opened, up pops a Jolly Jack in the box. Now, sight words used in this story: is, go, to, of, at, it, in, he, see, the, and, they, like, look, come, says, what, Jolly Jack. Let's see how clever you are. Read and then tick yes or no. Spot is a boy. No. Roy likes to jog. Yes. Spot can see a frog. Yes. Roy pops up. No. Jolly Jack in the box pops up, so no. A top can spin. Yes. Read and tick the right word, then fill in the blanks. The blank space is here is on a log. The frog or jog? Frog. Spot is a frog or dog? Spot is a dog. Roy's dog. Look at the top spin. Spot has got the lid off. Hot and got. Option is given there. So got. Roy and Spot like to jog.